Hey everyone, it's Dan here from the Powerlifting Basement, and today I'm going to show you how I made my DIY deadlift jack. Let's go. Alright, so this project is fairly simple. You really need two pieces of equipment. You need a pencil as well as a jigsaw to make this cut. You don't even need a measuring tape. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, so here I have a bench board that I'm going to be recycling. Keep in mind that this is a 1x6 and it's this long and it happens to have a handle on it. It doesn't need to have a handle. It doesn't need to be this long. I would recommend that the base be at least 6 inches wide. You can make it out of a 2x4, but the smaller width at the bottom here may make it a little bit unsturdy when you lift the jack up. So I would go with something 6 inches wide. As far as strength is concerned, yesterday I deadlifted 425 and was able to jack both sides of them no problem with just a 1x6. So strength shouldn't be an issue. It's also great that the wood doesn't damage the knurling of your bar, so that's great. The way that you measure the height or where to put the cutout is fairly simple. First thing you do is you take your piece of wood and you lay it on the ground and you assume that this will be the floor, obviously. Then what you do is you take your weight plate and you lay it over top so that it is flush with the board. So the bottom of the weight plate is flush with the board. Then what you do is you take a pencil and you mark the inside of the plate. With this mark here, you know that if you cut this piece out and you score it out this way, that when you get to use the jack, it won't actually lift the weight off the floor. So what you need to do is you need to go a little bit higher. So you can add maybe 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, whatever you like. It doesn't have to be precise. But what you can do is you can kind of score it this way, draw another circle. Again, does not have to be precise. And then you add an angle to it. So you can use a ruler certainly, but you can do something along these lines. Then what you do is you simply cut this out with a jigsaw and you get this result. I hope that answers your question on how to do your own DIY deadlift jack. If you have any questions, feel free to put a message down in the comments below. Also like, subscribe. Hopefully we'll be doing more videos in the future. And as always, let's go.